Hey guys, today we're gonna make slime with my cousin, and we bought these color glue at Target so we don't have to color the white glue. So the first step of making slime is pouring in a little bit of the water, and I'll just pour in some for both of them. So we have around this much. We're just mixing it right now. And it's going to turn very watery. It's supposed to be like really watery, apparently. And now we're going to add in the contact lens solution. She's going to add hers too. And mine's already to become like slime, see?
Ooh, it's nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. And now my slime is almost done.
Okay, done.
Mine is like almost close to being done. Hers is still like a little gooey, but I think it's fine. So now I'm just gonna pour it onto the table right here. And as you can see, I'm just playing with it. It's kind of sticky. I'm not gonna add too much. Yeah, hers is slowly coming out.
Okay.
Mine is already like almost done. And hers is still coming out. Still coming out, about to drop. We're just gonna play with it, and I can pretty sure tell that this is like really good slime because it pokes. Listen,
No sticky.
hers is all sticky, so she's fixing it.
No sticky.
Oh, hers is not sticky, and she's fixing it behind the camera and adding stuff to it. And I think I like mine. So basically, so hers is almost done. Cactus time. Okay, so she's almost done with hers. And watch till the end because we're gonna mix like this much together.
My slime.
This is her slime.
Whoa.
Look, stretches super high.
Oh, very nice.
So now we're gonna mix a little bit of ours together.
Okay.
So we're gonna mix this and this together. So ready?
Go.
No, high five. High five.
Okay.
Ready?
Okay. Wait.
3,
2,
2,
1.
So now she's gonna mix it. So let's see what color it turns now. Oh, so it's kind of turning like this weird color now.
Beautiful.
It's beautiful, I guess. But it's not that good. It's like breaks apart like that instead of stretching out like that. It just snaps apart. So now we're gonna just do the poking test, and yeah. So comment down if you like my slime, this, that, better. Comment down who do you like better. Okay. So now we're gonna just play with our slime and yeah. So bye.
See you next time.